Hello everyone, it's me, Caitlin. I come from the Shumatt, China. We specialized in the common rail inject. Today, I want to share with you some of our products. Yeah, for this one, this is our product and this is the control valve. Yes. If you are interested about it, please follow me. Let's check the details together, okay? Okay. Let's see. As you can see, we packaged with the VCI anti-rust bags. It's environmental friendly. Yeah. For this part, this is a brand. This is a label. On the first line of the label is the Shumatt brand logo. If you want to print with your own logos, you can contact us, and we can supply you the customized services. We can print your logo with your own label and the package bags and so on. Yeah, if you have these demands, please contact us. On this part, this is the product model numbers. It's F00VC01378. Okay, on this part, it's application injector number 0445110377 and 0445110378. Okay, on this part, you can see a small QR code, right? You can scan it, use your phone. Also with some other, this is our company name, this is our company logo. Yes, this is made in China. Okay, the other detailed information is on the label. Okay, so much for the labels. Let's check the inside details. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's see. We package with two kinds of packages. As you can see, the other of our product we package with bottles, right? And for this shipment it's not it's just like the square shipment, right? And you can open it in this way. Yeah, and you can find it. Yes, as you can see, we have two kinds of packages, and this and now we pack it with this kind of shipment. Also, we have this round one. Yeah. Okay, you can see the inside of our product. Dun dun, chang chang chang. This is the inside of our product. We pack it with oil paper. Wow, the oil paper can be better protect our product. Yes. Okay, that's the whole side of our product. Actually, we not only selling the whole side, but also we selling the separate part. The separate part, as you can see, the separate part, this is a valve cap. For valve cap, there has some coating on this part, and also with the curved letters. This is the valve rod. For our valve rod, actually we have different sizes, we have different lengths. If you want other sizes, you can contact us, because with Shumatt, we can supply you this kind of customized services about our product. Each of our items before we seal it, we will test it many times, and don't worry about our product qualities. And so we have confidence to see that we can apply you 6 months warranties. Yes, don't worry about our product qualities. Okay, that's all the detailed information about our product. Actually, we have many models of our product. If you are not familiar with our product, please send us the product code and we can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. By the way, just now I share with you about our warranty, right? We have the 6 months warranties. During this time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us and we can exchange the product for you. And here, Caitlin wants to share with you 3 tips. The first tips, if you want to clean the spare parts in like the injector, the control valve, the spare parts, you can use the oil to clean it. The second tip is If you want to install the control valve, make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly after assembly inject body. The third tips is if you want to make sure the valve cap can in the right positions. Yes, that's all the tips I want to share with you. Yes, actually, we also supply the injector, nozzle, repair kit, the pumps, the parts for the pumps, yes, including the valve assembly we are showing today. If any items, if you are interested, please follow us at our channel because each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. Yes, if you like our videos, if you like our product, remember to follow us and feel free to contact us. Okay, so much for today's product introductions. Yeah, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.